If you've ever wanted to lead a popular yoga class, but you felt too intimidated, or you don't feel quite ready, well, I'm going to change that for you right now. There's a myth out there that if you take a 200-hour yoga teacher training or a 500-hour yoga teacher training, that you're going to come out ready to teach a big class. Well, I'm here to tell you that's not always the case. It's really hard to do. So I made this training to address that fact so that you come out of my training ready to go and teach your first class with confidence and with strength and ready to build your brand. If you love yoga like I do, and you have your heart and your passion and your joy infused in who you are and how you teach, I'm going to make sure you find that side of you that is an inspiration to all the students in your class. We're going to have a great time together. It's going to be fun, and it's the coolest thing in the world.